Today we're diving into the GLS Audio 500 feet bulk professional speaker cable, specifically the 12 AWG4 Conductor black variant. This cable is touted as true 12 AWG rated, ensuring it meets American wire gauge standards. With a robust 10.5 millimeters thick, durable, and flexible rubber jacket, it promises professional quality and construction suitable for various audio setups. The 500-foot spool comes in a sleek black jacket, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal. It boasts high-quality noise-free performance, essential for delivering clear and reliable audio signals in professional environments. The use of copper material and multi-strand cable strands enhances its conductivity and durability, making it a preferred choice for serious audio enthusiasts and professionals alike. In terms of usability, the cable's flexibility makes it easy to manage and install, even over longer distances. Whether you're setting up sound systems in studios, venues, or large events, its construction ensures minimal signal loss and interference, translating into consistently high audio fidelity. Overall, the GLS Audio 500 feet bulk professional speaker cable 12 AWG4 Conductor black impresses with its adherence to professional standards, durability, and reliable performance. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup without compromising on quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.